Good morning. Today I am going to tell you what a police officer cannot do in commercial disputes. The reason I am doing this today is because of a newspaper report. Well, here it is, Times of India. I am not going to go to the details of this, that may bore you. I will come straight to the crux of the matter. You have a dispute with somebody, you owe him money, even a check that you have issued for whatever reason bounced. So, a commercial dispute, financial dispute between you and somebody else. That somebody goes to the police officer, convinces the police officer to lodge a case against you because you owe him money. If this is the background of your case, know this much, that the police officer cannot act as a recovery agent. Let me say it again with appropriate pause so it sinks well into all of you. A police officer in India does not have the power to order you to pay somebody some amount of money that you owe him, even if you genuinely do owe him or her. A police officer, by powers vested under him under section 156 of the Criminal Procedure Code, can do this, and that will scroll down now, but cannot ask you to return the money. If he does it, simply refuse to obey him, stand up and tell him that he can investigate, he can detect, but cannot settle disputes. He doesn't have the power to settle disputes. He doesn't have the power to order recovery. He doesn't have the power to tell you to pay somebody that you do not wish to pay. Without going into the merits of whether you owe or you do not owe, he does not have the power to do this. So, that is the takeaway for you from today. He can investigate you, he can summon you, he can question you, he can make a statement out from what he understands from you, but he cannot ask you to settle a dispute by paying back the money. Time and again, Mumbai police particularly has been chastised by various benches of Bombay High Court, and yet this does not seem to stem the rot. Justice Sadhna Jadhav was extremely critical. Here it scrolls down now what the Honorable Justice had to say. Justice Abhay Oak has been exceptionally critical about this practice of Mumbai police. Here it scrolls down now what Justice Abhay Oak had to say. And here scrolls down once again section 156 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, which gives police sweeping powers to investigate but none to recover. Generally speaking, any financial transaction is considered to be a civil dispute, not in the criminal domain of law. Number two, police officers are clearly restrained from acting as judges and settling disputes between the parties. So remember, next time you get a call from a police officer, you have to go and present yourself. But next time he asks you to sign a check and give it over to somebody, you do not have to do it. Stand up for your rights. That is what this show is all about. I curiously name it Be Your Own Lawyer because I believe that most of these things can be done by you if you know the law without going to the lawyer. So if you're facing a situation like this, if you know a friend who's facing a situation like this, don't rush to a lawyer and hire him all right immediately. Stand up for some of your rights, and that may obliterate the need for a lawyer. Thank you for watching me. Subscribe.